Hey, what is going on, traders? My name is Praise Mabs. Welcome to my trading channel, Mabs FX. In this video, I'm going to be talking about MetaTrader 4 indicator that shows you where to buy and sell. So stay tuned. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe. And then if you're interested in this, by the end of the video, just make sure to click this link. There's a link in the description, a special link that will take you to the download page for this particular software if you're interested in it, and then you can just simply download it yourself. So anyway, right now we're looking at an indicator. It's called Fibo Quantum. Now, Fibo Quantum is a MetaTrader 4 indicator, like I've stated, which shows you where to buy and where to sell on the MetaTrader 4 chart. So you install this on MetaTrader 4, and then it shows you the best places to buy and sell. All right, so it basically shows you where the good signals are and shows you where to buy and where to sell. It also gives you the take profits. All right, the take profit 1, 2, and 3. So if you're a trader who likes to trade with 3 different take profits, there you go. It also shows you where to put a stop loss. So let's say, for instance, if you're buying, it tells you where to put the stop loss. Okay. And then if you're selling, it tells you where to put the take profit, and it tells you where to put the stop loss. So basically that's what it does. That's what it is. It's nothing too complicated. With this indicator, you can flip through the settings, and you can either put it on conservative, medium, or aggressive, or you can just put your custom period. It doesn't really matter, But anyway, in a nutshell, this is what it looks like in MetaTrader 4. So let's just go over the rules, guys. So for you to open up a trade, it either has to be at the buy level or the sell entry level. Okay, so if the price goes and it escapes or triggers the buy entry level, you're going to put in the buy, and then you're going to use the relevant take profit. And then if you're in a buy trade, you're going to put a stop loss where it says buy stop loss. Okay. And then for selling, you only open up a sell when the price reaches this level where it says sell entry. When it reaches the sell entry level, that's where you put in a sell. And then you use the sell stop loss, recommended sell stop loss, and the respective take profits as shown. So let's just have a look at some pairs here. So I've got NAS 100 in front of us, and there looks like there is a potential trade. So now, as our rules have stated, for you to actually enter into a trade, the market or the price has to go through the trigger. It has to trigger the buy entry for you to actually open up a buy. Okay, so if it hits a buy there, all right, then you're going to place your take profit at take profit 1 level, all right, which is up there. And then if you're in the buy trade, you're going to put your stop loss where it says buy stop loss. Okay, so if you want to use the other take profits as well, you're more than welcome to do that. Just remember to use risk management. And then now, if the price doesn't trigger the buy stop or the buy entry, and it comes down and triggers the sell entry, that's actually where you're going to sell in relation to this trading indicator. So if the price reaches this level, that's where you're going to put up a sell entry, and then you're going to put your stop loss where it says sell stop loss. You see that? That's where you put your stop loss, and then you take profits, etc, etc, etc. So let's have another look at this. Is the gold, guys, Fibo Quantum indicator. Okay, so like we said, if it hits the buy entry, open up a buy with the respective take profit level and stop loss. Or if it hits the sell entry, which is down there, if this price now comes down to the sell entry, you're going to open up a sell, and then you're going to use the respective take profit levels and the stop loss. So it's basically a straightforward indicator that you can use to trade the markets. It's nothing too complicated. All right, so it's very simplistic. It's very easy to install. It's very easy to understand, and it's very easy to apply to the market. All right, so like with anything, you just need to practice risk management as well with any system. All right, when you start with a new system, you need to use risk management, guys. It's very, very important that you know exactly what the risks are. Okay, so because trading in Forex market is a very risky endeavor, so you need to employ risk management and apply your own discretion. So now the last example that I'm going to make, you see, that's this USD CAD, and you see we actually missed this trade. There was a sell entry that was triggered. You see the price came down, didn't trigger the buy entry, came down and then triggered the sell entry there. So that was the sell entry. Okay, and then the sell stop loss is up here where it says sell stop loss. That's where you put your stop loss, and then The price now came almost hit take profit one, anticipating to hit the rest of the take profits. I've actually got this trade open on my account. So yeah, guys, typically that's what you do. The advantages of this system, as you can see, it shows you graphically where to buy and where to sell. So it's very easy to interpret. You know, another advantage, it is used on MetaTrader 4. You know, and it's just very simple to understand. Okay, but the downside of this is it needs an internet connection to work. So for it to show you signals and to send you signals and pop-ups, it needs to be connected to the internet. Okay, and then another thing is a disadvantage would be because this thing shows you many signals. All right, some signals may be false signals, so you have to filter out some trades. You know, I use trend lines, support and resistance to filter out if I'm using the right trade. So you need to employ additional methods if you want to be successful with this trading indicator. Right, so it's worth a try if you guys are interested in this trading indicator. It's called Fibble Quantum. There's a link in the description that will take you to the download page. You know, it's a once-off purchase of $147, a very reasonable price that you guys can purchase this for, and just try it out for yourself. And then if it works for you, fine. If it doesn't work, then you move to the next thing. But it's worth a try. It's very interesting to see because it shows you all the levels. You know, people buy signals and they don't really understand the market. So you can get this and then generate your own signals and use this to further develop your trading skills and your trading account. Okay. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about this indicator, just leave a comment in the description. If you've got questions, you're free to ask in the comments or to email me at nasdaqforexmarkets@gmail.com. It will be in the description, and if there's anything else, guys, just make sure you reach out to me and then we can connect on a deeper level. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Happy trading, guys, and good luck in the markets.